Car insurance is usually split into three categories: third party, fire and theft, and comprehensive. Third party is the most basic level of car insurance. With third party car insurance, provider will cover costs you might have to pay as compensation of injuries sustained by other people or damage to someone else's property. This is the minimum level of cover legally required in the US. Third-party car insurance does not cover your own injuries, theft of your vehicle, or any breakdown. You would need to pay for these yourself. Second, third-party fire and theft. The level of car insurance provides the same level of cover as third-party, plus protection if your vehicle is damaged by fire and stolen. This means you would not be covered for any damage of your own car in any accident. The third and very good insurance is comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance is the most complete level of cover on the market. As well as everything covered by a third-party fire and theft policy, you will also be protected against damage of your vehicle and personal injury cost. Comprehensive policy can also come with further cover and extra feature, but the exact detail will vary between providers. How much does car insurance cost? The Association of USA reported that the average premium paid of comprehensive insurance in 2001 is maybe $800. You might find that your quote are above or below this figure, as the cost of your car insurance will vary from person to person. The cost of your car insurance will be tolerated to your circumstances and will depend in part on how likely insurance thinks it is that you will make a claim. Insurer will also pursue information to calculate a risk profile for a driver. Certain factors will make you seem more of a risk based on what the insurer provided data suggests constitutes a driver who is more or less likely to have an accident. What affects the cost of car insurance? The make and model of your car, your annual mileages, security of your car, for example, it's parked in a garage, on a roadside, on a driveway, driving history, how long you have been driving for, claim history, if you have claimed anything or not in the past 5 years, where you live. You live in the big cities, or you live in a town, or you live in a small cities, how you pay annually, you pay monthly. Your job, you are a job person, you are a doctor, you are a nurse, you are an electrician, you are a delivery driver, or you are a taxi driver, or you are a homemaker, or house husband and housewife. Your age, you are old man. Old man is a very secure and safe drivers. Young people, the 18 and 20, between 18 and 25 is very they are more insured. Your voluntary access, additional driver, if additional driver might be insured, will be increased. Sometimes it will include a discount, but the insurance will increase. You could also try to reduce the cost of your car insurance by hanging with the provider, especially if your deal is up for renewal. For some drivers, especially if you have recently passed your test with known as telematic insurance, can be very or reduce your premium. Also called a black box insurance, this involves a provider installation technology to monitor your driving habits, and it is very good. And the black box is a very good for insurance code because you can drive safely and your insurance will reduce 50 to 60%. How you get a cheaper car insurance? There are a lot of ways you can try to reduce the cost of your car insurance. Car insurance premium are pretty based on how to provide just the chance of your needing to make a claim. So if you can reduce the risk, or your cost may go down. Building up a no-claim discount, also known as a no-claim bonus, can indicate of prospective providers that you are less likely to make a claim on your car insurance. For every year you don't make a claim, your NCD goes up. You can end up having a big impact on how much you pay. Even if you are happy with your current provider, not letting your current policy auto renewal could be one step to getting cheaper car insurance. That might be a better deal out there. You could also take more steps to secure your car. That might include installing a security alarm, mobilization technology, using a steering wheel lock, dash cam, park in a driveway or a garage. Dash cam is a very specific and very good equipment to reduce your insurance. If you are young or inexperienced driver, you could take an advanced driving course or add a more experienced driver as an additional motorist on a policy. If your driver have a 10 to 15 or 15 to 20 year experience additional driver, then your insurance will be reduced. You could also provide a black box insurance, show your insurance you are a safe driver, increase the amount you have to pay a voluntary access. But it is a good, but sometimes it's a bad, because when there was an accident and you can voluntary access is £500 in between $500, you will pay $500, but your insurance is less. If you don't claim anything, your insurance will be less. If you claim, that is covered your the other party claim. Other way you can get cheaper car insurance include change your car to one that is cheaper to insure, reduce your mileage, choose your job title category as that affect your code, pay your car insurance annually, consider a multi-car policy.